How to find draft reels on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can find draft reels on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find draft reels on Facebook, you can just try opening the Facebook application here, and then let's say you've uploaded a reel in the past and now you would like to find them in your draft section because you've already saved them. To find them, just tap the plus icon from the very top, and right over here you should be able to actually see all these sorts of options where you should be able to find draft, and you'll be able to see the number of reels you've added in your draft. Remember that the draft section will only show up if you've added some type of reel in your draft in the past. So now when you select the draft option, you should be able to see that draft. You can select the draft and continue editing it if you'd like. This way you can find draft reels on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.